Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the AWS Load Balancer, Elastic Load Balancer, automatically distribute income traffic across multiple targets, ensuring high availability, fault tolerance, and scalability. See why we use the load balancer. For example, if we have different EC2 instances, so for a single application, if we are storing our application in various EC2 instances for the scalability and high availability, okay, but we need to ensure that traffics needs to be distributed properly. So for that we use the load balancer. Using this load balancer we can distribute the traffic from 10%, 20%, 40%, like that. So we can distribute the traffic so based on the user request. And also, so like most of the times we won't keep all complete application in a single EC2 instance or single server, because it impacts the performance, it impacts the it also affect the security, because payment pages, product pages, we need to divide them based on the requirement, and also adding the security concerns and all. So once everything is set up on the servers, so we'll use the load balancer to distribute the traffic based on the request of the user. Okay, so that uses that improves the scalability, that improves the security and the performance. So within few seconds we can able to load the complete application. Here is an example. Suppose you run an e-commerce website with multiple EC2 instances. You can use an application load balancer to distribute user requests based on URLs, example products, to one set of instances and checkout to another, improving performance and reliability. So this is a very simple definition, like application load balancer. Within the same word we have the balancing the load of the traffic. Okay, so that is about the AWS Elastic Load Balancer. So to reach the traffic from one end to another, like from user to the application, so we use the seven different layers we have to handle the traffic. So for each application, that the layer would be different. So we have four different type of load balancers here, but within the seven layers. So type of AWS load balancers: application load balancer, network load balancer, and gateway load balancer. Got it? So application load balancer we use for the best HTTP or HTTPS traffic, works 7 layer, and supports advanced routing such as host based and path based routing. Path based, which means for like product pages or something else. So path based routing would be like mostly preferable for e-commerce or these kind of huge websites. So for example, user wants to access the application, so here we use a 7 layer application load balancer. And the network load balancer optimized for TCP or UDP to handle the traffic. So where we we use that network load balancer on the layer 4. On the layer 7 we use the application load balancer. On layer 4 we use the network load balancer. So operates at level layer 4 and handles millions of requests per second with ultra low latency. Gaming servers, IoT messages processing, etc. Because for gaming servers we see, for example, PUBG. So a lot of people are playing at a time. So to handle that, so we need the good network, right? Those to handle the good network capabilities, or else live streaming. So that is very crucial. So and gateway load balancer. So this is this is useful. So sorry. So when we in the final stage, we use the gateway load balancer for very secure purposes. So for most of the sites, we won't use this one. Only for specific applications, we use the gateway load balancer. So just like VPN applications designed for third party virtual applications, it enables seamless traffic inspection and security policies. Security application appliances, VPN concentrators. So this is about the application load balancer, network load balancer, and gateway load balancer. So mostly the widely used one is application load balancer. And if you are using for any gaming platforms, so you can definitely use a network load balancer. And so the gateway load balancer, so only like very few applications, right? So yeah, for secure, more like different kind of applications, but they are very rare. So this is about the AWS Elastic Load Balancer. So that's about today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and please do like, subscribe, and let me know your views in the comments. So I want just make you understand the process. That's it.